Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The national average cost to remodel a kitchen is about $22,000. That number doesn't tell the whole story though. Your new kitchen could cost anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 or more, depending on the size and scope of your project. Typical kitchen remodels range from $12,500 to $33,000.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are many ways to pay for a kitchen remodel, but home equity loans are the most popular because they're tax deductible. Other options include refinancing, taking out a personal loan or taking a loan against a retirement plan.
Let's help you make your mark.
The average IKEA kitchen is more around $25,000. Other elements of a new kitchen's final bill that people tend to forget: labor. Paying IKEA for delivery, assembly and installation adds 200% to the cabinet costs. Grotte says. 29 August 2014.
Take our lead.
Unsecured home improvement loans. Low to no interest credit cards. If you have good credit, you probably get low interest credit card offers in the mail all the time. Personal loans. Cash out refinance. Home equity loans. Home equity line of credit. HELOC. Borrow against your 401k. The 21st of August 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.